Materials required: multicolored chart papers, scissors, pencil, adhesive, small 360-degree protractor, scale, sequence. First, take rectangular pieces of two different chart papers. Now apply adhesive and paste the edges to fix the cylinder. Using a protractor, draw a circle on the lighter colored chart paper. Now, using your scissors, cut out the circle and cut a segment from this circle. Once the segment has been cut, fold the circle to form a cone. Using adhesive, stick this cone on one end of the cylinder. Now, apply adhesive and paste some paper strips on the open end of the cylinder. Finally, paste metal decorations on the body of the rocket to complete it. Your decorative rocket is ready.